My name is Sujit. I am from Kodagu district. Last year I came to Bangalore and I am from a mechanical field, and I thought of joining for a testing field because my friend told there is a lot of scope in a testing field, and then I came to know there is a demo class in Qspiders Rajajinagar, and I attended a demo class which was conducted by Pradeep sir in the month of November 2021, and uh, SQL was started by Sunil sir. After few days itself, a manual also was started, and for my luck, Java also. Currently, I am going for Java also. All the three subjects started simultaneously. Then SQL. Sunil sir teaches SQL in a very easy and a simple manner. Also, Pradeep sir teaches its manual with the live examples, so which make us easy to understand the concept because manual is full of theory, so it will be very easy if they give the examples. And now I got placed in a good company with good package.